Dreaming of restoring an old home or building your mountain retreat? Look no further than this. This stunning property offers spacious living space, a two-car garage, and 58 plus breathtaking acres. Explore the mix of cleared and forested land with majestic mountain views and a soothing stream. Imagine waking up to tranquility and nature's beauty. Endless possibilities await. Restore the antique home, build your dream getaway, or simply escape to your private paradise. This property has endless possibilities. Please check out the description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.